Where is my life? Yes. What do you mean user is already logged in on 30? I don't have nothing. Let's know about this. Yes. Okay. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. Stop. But why I cannot see this? What it is? It's fine. Let's continue. It will come later. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the brand new live stream of zbit.com. Welcome, user 468015. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. My name is Yash, and I'm a live stream host over zbit.com. As you obviously you are coming live from the app, I can see over here. So you know zbit.com is a crypto exchange platform which helps you start your crypto journey, and this live stream makes like whatever journey you are facing, if you face any difficulty, any issues, and you are not like getting some profits, you are like lacking some skills of the trading, anything, then this live stream helps you to support in every of your like whatever journey you are traveling, at whatever point you are in the starting, in the between, in the expert level, whatever way you are in your journey of the cryptocurrency. Then I this live stream is for that, to support you in whatever place you need my help. Okay, so whenever you come on the live stream, please make sure one thing that you have to do is that if you have any difficulties, anything, it cannot be just like my app is not working, the withdrawal is not working, that is not working, deposit is not happening. Other than this this live stream is also there available for all of you people, all of you whoever is trading at right now at zbit.com. For all of you, you have this one opportunity, this 4 hour of live stream, to learn trading as well. So if you have any doubt, anything regarding trading, just please ask that I have this doubt, I don't understand this, I don't understand market structure. Please, can you help me understand the chart patterns, candlestick patterns, technical analysis, and all those kind of stuff. Okay, because this is not just for simply like for you to give a trade. I am also here to help you in learning as well. Any strategy I come up with, any strategy I can tell you, and every of those things. Okay. If you want, today I will tell you a one. It's not very what you say. It's not like a very big strategy, but one very easy strategy which works a lot of time. I have seen a lot of crypto trader, the expert crypto trader, using this strategy to take a trade to see. But at the one point you have to understand this: any concept you learn, any strategy you learn, any technical analysis you learn, any chart pattern you find, candlestick pattern you find, any supply zone, demand zone, anything you find, you learn from the market. Always keep this one thing, that this is an education. Okay. And this education doesn't give you any commitments that this education doesn't give commitment that exactly that is going to happen in the market, because you all know how influential a crypto market is, how um, like any news, any small big news impacts a crypto market in seconds. We saw, like, for 4 to 5 days we are facing a lot of downfalls in the market. Why was that? That was because of the tension which is created between the USA and the China. They are having, like I told you this one thing, like in the news factor, when you learn about the news factor, that any news, it's not about any random news. Okay. Any global political news which has an impact on the trades, economic, or any war kind of situation, which also can lead to some trade imbalance and economic imbalance of the country. Okay. Now in that's right now point, the imbalance is happening between, again, the same thing is which is happening is trade imbalance. We saw that the Trump did the same exact thing in, like, the start of, no, in the end of the mid and the end of February, and then it continued till the March, in which we saw that how he imposed tariffs so much on the rest of the country for their whatever trade they are doing, and which caused a very huge downfall in the market, due to which we face that market is falling down further. And he has still, and he's still doing the exactly same thing. Right now he has imposed like 100% tariff on the China, because they are not having like any what you can say, like they are not having any common understanding, they are not having a common point where they can help it with each other. They both want to get stuck with whatever they want, like nobody wants to bend basically. Okay. So in that situation, any global politic news which can affect the market in the trade, economic, global politics, or like, see, government, even the government got shut down. Okay, the USA government before shutdown, in which we saw a very small pump. And I knew this one thing, that USA is one of those things, like he will make you feel that right now you have to do something, and exactly opposite thing will happen. We saw like how, if first he did it with the those three newses, three major newses of him, like I am gonna do 25, 25, 25 cut, and then the report came very, and then the report was very profitable, and like not profitable, the report showed a very huge growth in their economy. And suddenly then there is a crash of their, not crash but shutdown of the government, because they didn't had funding, because don't have money, their economic is not good. But in the document they showed that it is good. Now again they come back, and obviously if you want to increase your economy, obviously you have to do something to take money from the other country, which is basically this tariff things, like imposing tariffs on other people, so that we have, because USA has a lot of like 2 to 3 big debt incoming which they have to pay. And obviously that they will pay, like obviously the country won't shut down, they make some arrangement to pay. But it will affect a dollar, and it will affect the strength of their economic. Okay, in whatever scenario, but it will get affected. In that scenario of getting affected, the economic getting affected, the dollar getting weakened, it is good for the cryptocurrency. But that's what they make us always. We even recently saw the government got shut down, and just 2 to 3 to 4 day after, we saw a downfall of the market, 19 approximately. Like there are different newses with the different numbers. Okay, so I'm testing an average number. Some said it's 9 billion got liquidated from the market. Some said 19, some said 7, some said 10. So it's like different people saying different numbers. So let's just go by 9 or 10. 9 billion got liquidated just because of his one news. Just one news that he's gonna put a tariff attack. Sorry, he's gonna put a tariff on the China for 100%. 100%, like basically paying double for whatever you buy. There is a product cost and you have to pay exactly the double amount for that. Just a second. Please, I don't have money. Can anybody help me with the list so that I can also try? If you don't have money, Zbit offers you one, like when you come on the first time on this platform and you are a new user and you haven't done any trading, haven't done anything, then Zbit offers that we have a reward that the first user 542775. Okay, the first trade which you will be getting is a free trade worth 10 USDT, with which you can use your skills of the trading, or you can come on this platform, you can ask me where to trade, which coin to trade for, so that you can have a maximum profit from it. And that profit you can keep it in your wallet, which you can use further use for the trades as well. So sorry, I cannot provide you money. I get it that you don't have money and you are asking for help, for like basically give you money, but that won't be possible. But Zbit offers you that one thing, that you have 10 USDT worth of bonus, so that you can take the first free trade in future, and future only. It's not for the spot. Okay, it's only and only for the future. You can take your first future trade, and that with which you can either you can get profit, you can get a massive good amount of profit from that, that you can get to keep, and that can be like basically the money which we are providing to you. So that's the help which we can provide to you. Now, not just you, but all the new user, all the new user out there. I just want to tell you that first free trade of future is free. Okay, do not forget this reward, because sometimes people forget the reward and they don't use it, and then they later feel like you're just wasting the 10 USDT free 10 USDT funding. Okay, and there are some complication with that which I have to clear out first. That 10 USDT is used one time, just like the basically one time password. It cannot be used 2 to 3 times. Like some people think like $10 it is. I'll do $5 trade right now, $3 trade right now, $4 trade right now, and rest I will save for the next trade. It won't happen like that. Either you, if you want to use small amount, that's up to you. But my suggestion is that that is a free money, so use completely. Because anyway, even if let's say you are facing any loss, you don't know how to do trading, and you face loss, the market went against you, and it is totally normal. Market going against you is totally normal, when because like it is right now that period going on of the tension between the governments, global politics, tariffs, and every of those things, that you never know what can be the next scenario which will come in the market. Okay, and even if in that situation you face any loss in your trade, any loss, any, that first free trade loss will be taken care by us. You don't have to pay anything for whatever loss you will be having. The profit, you can have it, keep it, use it, withdraw it, it's up to you. But the loss is for us. We will take care of the loss. You don't have to take care of any of those losses. Get it? Okay. So that is for that. And really sorry that I can, obviously nobody can provide you money. Okay, but very honest thing, it's not a place where you should come and ask money. What I can provide you is the first free trade which you may have. Like if you are an existing person, then sorry, you cannot have it because you might have already used it. But if you are a new user, that you just downloaded yesterday, you open your account yesterday or today or something like that, then that's where it's applicable of the 10 USDT bonus. First free trade of the future. Got it? Okay. Help me with money. So where I was I? Where 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 was I? I was talking regarding the news. I said everything. I said technical analysis. You can ask me for help. I said okay. Welcome user 170381. Welcome to the live stream of Zibit platform. My name is Yash Pawar and I am going to be 4 hour in this live stream. In this complete 4 hour, you can take any help from me regarding your crypto journey, which can be like just understanding market, giving you trade. I give you trades as well on here, the live trades which I will provide to you. Everything I will be make sure that you will be getting. Okay. And just a very little, I want 15 to 20 minutes for the YouTube and X people, because obviously we need more and more and more people on our ZB platform. Okay. So all those YouTube people and all those people who are watching me from the Twitter account, or maybe later they will watch me or they will watch me some other time, I want to tell you this one thing, that Zbit, if you're confused that what is this live stream, am I just like a private trader who is just going on the live and just giving you trades and all and all? No, I'm not a private trader. I'm welcome user 773062. Welcome on the live stream of Zbit. If you have any thing, like if you don't understand my language, because most of the people, majority of the people here are Indians. If you think that you cannot understand my language, I can speak in Hindi as well. मेरे को हिंदी भी आती है, मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ. अगर आपको कोई भी तकलीफ होती है, कुछ भी होती है कि यार मुझे ये इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में थोड़ा उतना नहीं समझ रहा है, अगर आप चाहे तो तुम रीजनल लैंग्वेज में बात करो, लाइक हिंदी. ओके, मेरे को मराठी भी आती है वैसे. दो, बस दो. बट मैं एक कॉमन लैंग्वेज इसीलिए यूज करता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे नाइजीरिया के भी लोग आते हैं, कई सऊदी के भी लोग आते हैं, कोई दुबई के भी लोग आते हैं. तो उनके लिए मेरे को एक कॉमन लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश यूज करनी पड़ती है. दैट्स व्हाई. नहीं तो अगर किसी पॉइंट पे, किसी टॉपिक पे, किसी चीज पे अगर कुछ नहीं समझता है तो प्लीज कमेंट पे जरूर बोल देना कि यार हिंदी में समझा दो, हिंदी में बताओ, हिंदी में ये, हिंदी में वो. ठीक है? अदरवाइज आई विल यूज अ कॉमन लैंग्वेज विच इज इंग्लिश, so that everybody can understand. Okay, cool. So for all those YouTube people, ZB people, Twitter people, I want Twitter or X people. Okay, all those X people and YouTube people, I want to tell you, like, if you think like, what is this happening? What is this live stream about? And every of those things. This is a zbit.com's live stream. Zbit.com is a crypto exchange platform which allows you to start your crypto journey and get a hold of a financial freedom in your life, which is most needed at right now point. If you want to start doing your trading, this is a platform which offers you a lot of rewards, very good features for all those beginners, because we really believe that taking first step requires a lot of courage, encouragement and everything, and which should be appreciated equally. Okay, so Zbit has 4 to 5 rewards which I would like to tell you about. Three actually, not 4 to 3 reward which I would like to tell you about. First, that this is that one platform which is the most beginner friendly, and we have made our app in that way that even if, see, because sometimes what happens is, even at right now point, getting used to or getting familiar with the cryptocurrency trading is not in the trend, like it's trend in the Western people, like the Americans, the UK, the China, the Japan. They are very familiar with this crypto tradings, but Indian people, they still believe that there are, like, we are still into stock, we are still into the gold, we are still into this and blah blah blah, blah scenario. For them, cryptocurrency is, it's a bit like I don't understand kind of stuff. Okay, so this Zbit has offered you few features which is only and only for the beginners, and the best features. First, let me start with the rewards. Once you open an account, obviously opening account, creating account is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for it. Okay, it's like in India, like some people have that mentality, like if you want to open a stock market account, you have to pay zero fee, this fee, blah 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 blah. I know, but in cryptocurrency, in the zbit.com, it's completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything regarding opening an account, KYC, and blah blah blah. The only thing which you have to pay is your own capital amount, which is your deposit amount, with which you will start doing your trading. We won't provide you the money to trade, obviously. Nobody will. So you have to take care of that, your trade only. That's all. Other than this, once you open the first crypto account, like once you start your the first ever crypto account you open, the first reward which you'll be getting is a free cryptocurrency token. Now, what kind of token? What do you mean by token? Why token is different than coin? See, it's not different. It's just like you must have heard about the common thing, like there is a stock and there is a share. There is no such a difference between a stock and there is a share. Same way, there is no, like, not that big, but you can consider same only. Cryptocurrency coin and cryptocurrency token, they are kind of same only. Okay, so we offer you a cryptocurrency token, which is a mystery. Okay, it's not like I can tell you which one you will be getting and all those things. It may be like it's a lucky spin. In that lucky spin, you may get meme coin like Doge, Shiba Inu, or you may get a stable coin as well, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you may get an altcoin as well, which is like XRP or Solana. Okay, so what coin you will be getting is like I cannot tell you, you cannot tell you, you cannot tell yourself, or it's just like the random spin. We have put like 10 to 12 coin in it. Out of this, one you will be completely free of cost with XYZ quantity. The Bitcoin, which is sorry, the cryptocurrency which is little high price, we give less quantity about it, obviously. How can I begin? You are the first, you are a boss burger, you are a new user on the Zbit platform. How can I begin? Boss Burger. Yeah, hello. Hi, Boss Burger. My name is Yash Pawar. I'm a live stream host at this Zbit platform. Can you be more specific? Like, how can I begin? Do you want to understand that how to trade in Zbit? I can make you familiar with our platform, how to use it, how to trade with it, what are the features we provide, and every of those things. Okay. I need help. Yes, user 631246. I am here to help you. Please, can you first tell me your name? My name is Yash. You can tell me your name, and then I can help you with that as well. Okay. I need help. I am here to help you. This live stream is regarding that one thing, that any issues you are facing in your crypto journey, I am ready here, sitting here to help you all people. But please be more, let's be more specific. Like, what kind of help do you need? Is it, are you facing anything with the Zbit app, or the withdrawal, or the deposit, or taking trade? I want to learn how to trade. Yes, Boss Burger, I am here to teach you regarding how to trade. I can teach you regarding the basics to the advanced level. But just tell me one thing, are you the legit beginner that you have zero understanding of the trading at the first level, or you have a small, like a basic understanding of the market? Like, from where do you want to start learn trading? Then I can, like, give you the whole idea regarding what is there. And trust me on this thing, that you won't learn trading in one day. Okay, you have to come on this live stream daily so that you can learn regarding trading. But I have created the account already. You have created account, that's good. In the term, like when you say the term that I want to learn trade, how to trade, that means that you need to know how to trade in this, like no understand. Okay, so you have no understanding of the trading, like, and make me just, I just want you to be a little bit specific. That, are you saying that you want to know how this feature works for the trade, or you want to know how to find your entries? Should I, how, when I go for buy, when should I go for sell? Like, understanding this chart over here, is that what you mean by how to trade, or understanding our platform to trade? Okay, just give me that thing. Like, you want to understand how to trade on Zbit, like making the features, and I will make you understand the features of how to put the limit order, market order, trigger order. I can make you explain the margin mode, then the leverage, and all those kind of stuff, or you want to know how to find your entries, how to do trading, how to achieve profit, how to achieve recover loss, all this kind of stuff. Just let's be specific over here so that I can provide you the exact answer which you are helping needing for. Do you want me to explain the ZBit here, this ZBit, in how you can trade on the ZBit, how you can do future trade on ZBit, how you can do spot trade on ZBit, or you want me to teach you how do I do this, like find supply zones, demand zones to enter in the market, either for buy or sell situations. Like there are just not supply demand zones, there are fair value gaps, there are chart patterns, there are candlestick pattern. Is basically the technical analysis, in which what we do is we understand how to trade, knowing find interest and profit. Got it, I got your understanding. See, to achieve a good profit in the trading, there are one thing which you require is technical analysis. Now what do you understand by technical analysis? Technical analysis is basically understanding this chart. Like what does this chart tells? Understanding this chart and then finding my entry. This is basically technical analysis. Okay. It looks very simple. It sounds very simple that I just said that we just have to understand what is happening in the chart. And then we have to take a trade. But technical analysis have a lot of things which I will make you learn. You don't have to worry. A is start from the basic, which is understanding candlesticks. Candlestick is what? This single candles. This one candle, two candle, three candle, four candle. There are types of candles. Okay. In that, you will understand like what is happening in the market right now. What may can happen in the market right now, in the later moment. A is candlestick pattern. B is chart pattern. C is concepts. Which concepts? Now in concept there are 4 to 5 things. I will show you where to find all these things. Okay, you don't have to worry. Concepts. Okay, now concepts of what? Concept of supply zone, demand zone, fair value gaps, market structure, and liquidity concept. Liquidity is important. Okay, these are all the things which you require to learn to be a trader. Okay, these are all these things. It's not just one thing that I can say that okay, go for buy, go for sell. Learning trading is not very simple. Okay, you have to understand from the basic, and then you have to go in the advanced level. You cannot just start from I cannot just give you like okay, do this, do that, do this, do that. It's not. You have to start from a basic to this. You left. Okay, because I was about to show you a platform where you can learn them. It's our platform only. I can explain Boss Burger if you come back. Yeah, Boss Burger left. I was about to show you one YouTube platform, which is our YouTube platform, where I've already made all these videos about candlestick, chart pattern, concept, supply zone, demand zone, fair value gap, market structure, liquidity. I've already made this in one of our platform, which you can use to learn trading, but you left. Now, how can I say? Welcome user 307540. Welcome on the live stream of the ZBit platform. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Soon I will do the market analysis and I will start giving you people trade. But before that, I need one thing from all of you people. When I give a trade, it will be very fast. So till that point, what you have to do is click on that. You can see there are two options: take a trade and deposit. If you already have a sufficient balance to take a trade, then when I give you trade, click on that take a trade and take a trade. And if you don't have a sufficient balance to take a trade, then the next to it is the deposit option. Please click on the deposit option and then come to platform and take it. Simple. Do not forget to deposit. Okay, deposit is important. If you don't do deposit, then how can you take a trade? Simple. So deposit first, because it might take 15 to 20 to 30 minutes for that deposit to be in your wallet. And if you're a new user, that you have never came on this platform before, never joined this live stream before, and you're a complete new user, then you have 10 USDT bonus free trade already. Do not forget that thing, that you have a 10 USDT free bonus trade, which you can do it on future trades, only on future trades. We have provided you fund of 10 USDT to take the first free trade. Okay. And you have anything, any doubt, please feel free to ask on the comment section. Feel free. Okay. So yesterday we were discussing one thing on the Bitcoin for giving you a trade. Yesterday our market made lower high, lower high and lower low. These were the things it made, and I told you that one lower high will be made again over here somewhere. And that's the point for us to go for what? Go for sell from this point till where? Till the target is our first previous lower low. And you can clearly see the target was achieved over here. And I said to you this thing as well already, that I come on this live stream for 4 hours. In that 4 hours, if there is a trade, I obviously give. Yesterday I gave you hype USD trade, which was active, and I was waiting for the moment for this thing to come so that we can go for sell side in the BTC. Even today, the same scenario has happened. Market has made a lower low over here, and it is starting like this is lower high. From here again, we are going to go for the sell side, and the target will be what? Basically are this previous lower low zone, like where the lower low ended. That's our zone from where we will be having a profit for sell side, because this is going for a downtrend. And even if let's assume that as it has already tapped into the demand zone, but you all know, in the news scenario, in the global politics, the US is not making things very simple so that market can have a rise at right now. He's trying to make more complications so that market may fall more. Some I have read 2 to 3 news in which, like, see, I don't like trust completely a particular news, because some are very fake news. Okay, you have to be very careful regarding this scenario, that some news are actually very fake. But there was one news which I was like intrigued with, like maybe it made logic to me, it made sense to me. Like they were saying that government right now, US government, they have the reserve. Okay, they have their own Bitcoin reserve. The first Bitcoin reserve made was from the US itself. But at this point, they are trying to buy more to save themselves from the future economic loss. Like their loss, economic growth is slowing down and is actually getting a little weaker. So they have to support their economic with something. And at right now point, we all know the one thing which can help you survive the economic or any financial crisis is Bitcoin. Any financial crisis, if you want to get support from, that is Bitcoin at right now position. So one news said that prices, like they don't have funding into the government and every of those things. It made sense to me, and he said that the government is not having a less of fund for like showing that there is less of economic and blah 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 scenario, they're actually diverting their funds to get more and more and more cryptocurrency, like basically the more and more buying Bitcoin. And if they want to buy a Bitcoin, obviously they will create an imbalance in the market, which will lead to a more downfall to downfall to downfall, so that they can get it in the most cheapest price. This was like the news, like USA is right now trying to buy a huge Bitcoin. Like they are trying to get Bitcoin in their hold and every of those things. Okay. So it made a little sense, but let's see. Let's see. We should not be totally depending on the news, but it's just like we'll keep that thing in our mind. If something that kind of situation happen, then we can be active on the platform and we can know when they are buying, when they are selling. Okay, so let me just delete. Let me just make you understand what do you mean by market structure and what why I'm going for the sell side over here, because you need to understand those things as well, like why sell side, why is going for sell, what is here to go for sell and blah blah. Okay, market has a basic structure. This is the basic structure of the market. This is for downtrend I'm talking about, because right now the downtrend situation is there. I don't want to confuse you by showing you uptrend as well. Whatever is right now available, I'll show you that. Okay, so this is the first high, this is the low, and then this is lower high. Why? Because it's lower than the previous one. Then this is lower low. Why? Because it's lower than the previous one. Low, low, this is low, and this is more lower, lower low. Very simple, very basic. Now, every time whenever you want to go for a sell side, now you know that a downtrend is happening. Whenever market is creating lower low and lower high, that represents that market is falling right now. Getting my point? Whenever market makes a lower low, lower high, that means market is falling right now. How to identify? Because how to identify if there is a lower low? Just imagine, I'll give you example. Let's say this high was 500. 500 and this low was, let's say, 450, and this market went a little high, let's say 480. From there again it fall to 300, little it went, let's say 350. Now you can imagine this one thing: high 500, low 450, and another lower high is made lower than the previous, means price is dropping down, price is falling here. Then the lower low made, lower low was, previous lower was at 450, but the next lower low became at 300. Again the same scenario, lower high and lower low, the next, like this is the first lower low, and first lower low, first lower high. The next lower low and the lower high should be more or less representing price is falling down. Getting? And in that scenario, whenever the price is falling down, what do we do? Obviously we go for a sell. We do selling over here. Okay, I'm understanding you, making you understand market structure, because that's what is available at right now to trade. If there was any chart pattern, I would have shown you chart pattern, but there is no chart pattern right now, so I'm just giving you market structure understanding. Now, how do we trade on the market structure of a downtrend? All the time most of the people make mistake over here is that whenever the market is falling down, they put money over here, but they don't wait for a minor pullback. See, this minor pullback are called corrections, correction pullback. Some people call it retracement. Some people call it, they have a different name. The basic understanding of this is, see, if some people are selling over here, massive selling is happening, obviously for a little while there will be a buy as well. Why there will be buy? For that you need to understand the retail investors behavior. Retail investor behavior, rib. You need to understand rib. Now what is rib? Retail investor behavior. At the high price, welcome user 118838. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being. So you have to understand the you have to understand this thing, that what is at the high price, like when the price is actually very high, people get what? Fear. Like any point at any time the market can fall the next time. This triggers the fall from the highest point, triggers what? Sell side, which by what emotion? Fear. So this is a fear. Okay, fear made the market fall down. Now from 500, market fall down to, let's say, 300. Okay, I know the lowest of 500 will be maybe 100, maybe 50, maybe 60. But every people have different psychology. Every people have a different requirement. Got it? So for from 500, some people, if the market falls to 300, some people may think that this is a very cheap price right now, and I need to buy it, and I will buy at this point, and their greed will trigger. This greed triggers at the lower low when they see that market is at a cheapest price. Greed triggers and pushes the market little up. Again, some people get satisfied, like, okay, I'm satisfied with whatever profit I earn. Now I want to sell it. Massive selling begins. Now this is why it is an impulse. It is called as impulse. Okay, like massive seller comes in the market. Why that massive thing comes? Okay. First is this seller, then a little pushback. The people who couldn't enter over here, they will enter over here, and the people who entered over here, they may go for more order from here. So it becomes massive, like a big selling. This triggers what? This fear. Fear will trigger and make it go down. Greed will make it go up. Fear put it down. Greed will put. Fear will put down. Greed is basically from a cheapest to lowest price I can find my market, and I can buy a little so that I can sell at a later point. Got it? Simple. Now that's the greed and retail investor behavior. Now, how to trade on a downtrend? How to trade on a market structure which is making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower. Like I said to you that this lower low always creates greed, can push up a market a little. Some people who enter over here, they regret it. Why? Because after a point, a little minor pushback comes and they can sell. They had an opportunity. If they would have been a little patient, they would have waited, they would have like be relaxed and waited for the proper opportunity. They would have entered at the high price. Like for example, if this is 300, this is 400, they had an option that they can enter from the high value price and then take a bigger profit for sell side, but they enter where 300. That is a wrong thing. Always whenever market is falling down in a downtrend, like, you identified the structure. If it's falling down, let it fall down. Do not enter at that moment. Enter at only and only which place? Lower high place. Whenever market is having a little minor pullback, and that pullback will come, definitely that pullback will come. Okay, whenever this minor pullback comes, this is that highest point from where we will do our selling. And basic, simple, safe, like, see, there is always in the market, there are two types of target: safe target, risky target. If you want to go for a very safe target, and like you don't have that much greed that I want to make a, like, I want to be like make a lot of money in that one single trade, I can, and you have this mental, like, I will go slow, I will take a small trade, I will learn with the market and blah blah blah. Then the basic how to trade this structure is, we did sell over here. This is the point where we did sell. What is my target? Obviously, as the market is making what? Lower lows, lower highs. So from the lower high, market will make the next movement, the next place the market will make is what? Another lower low. Right now, another lower low will be below which? Below the previous lower low. So obviously we can just keep our target as, we can just draw the line like this, and this can be our target over here. This is a safe target because definitely market will cross the previous lower low to create a new lower low. Understand my point? So how you understood how to trade in a market structure. If the market is showing you a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, which is basically downtrend, always enter at the lower high. Always wait for that opportunity, so that market is creating a lower high. Enter at that situation. Keep your target at the line of the lower low. Now I will make you understand same scenario in the real market. Okay, delete. अरे यार, it started from. Okay. See, this is low, this is high. Got it? One low, one high. The first one. Now the next one was lower than the previous one. It became what? Lower low. And this high is lower than the previous high. It became what? Our lower high. Got it? Now at this point, can you see this one thing? We enter at this point. This is, I told you, like always enter at lower high. This is the entry of sell. What is my target? Basically just go and keep this line, enter from this point and capture the whole momentum of this. When you can clearly see the line, the market went below that line and created a new lower low over here. This is our new lower low, this one. Now from here market made another lower high. Because why? Because it's lower than the previous high, right? So what are we going to do now? Simply, we are going to go for sell side in the BTC, and we are going to keep a target what? Let me just delete it. Okay. We will keep our target what? We will keep our target the previous lower low. This is my target. Okay. This is my one of the most safest target which I can have right now. Let's go for sell side from this. Put a take profit at what? 1 second. Where is that line? This is that line, right? Okay. Keep your target, keep your this like TP, take profit at 109,720.5. Simple. We don't have to do anything, just this. That's all. Take profit 109,72.5. We are just doing what? We are taking a market structure trade. Okay. Obviously, what will be the next scenario for the Bitcoin? It will make another lower low somewhere over here. Below this level, it will make another lower low. And that's the point what we need to trade. Okay. Very simple. That's the exact point we need to trade. I hope you are understanding this. Okay. Simply, we just went for sell. This is our sell. I have made entry over here. Not for long. I want to go for short. This is my short entry. And this is my TP take target over here. I'll extend it. And you can keep your stop loss basically the highest point of the lower high. This is that candle which made the lower high top. We will keep our stop loss exactly at that. This is your SL line. See, can you see this was the candle which made the downfall of the start of the downtrend, which is gonna make what? A lower low. So that is basically our what? SL. Okay. If you want to put SL is just the top of the lower high. Target the previous lower low. Simple. Very simple, easy trading I am giving you right now. Okay. This is your entry, your TP. TP means take profit. Okay. This is the point where you will take your profit and exit from the market, which is basically close your trade. Got it? And SL is the top and entry is over here. If new people will come and they have not entered yet in the market, tell me that I have not entered in the market. when I have entered in the market already. Okay, but if you have not entered in the market at the time when I entered, do not enter randomly anywhere. Ask me where to re-enter in the market, I will provide you the re-entry. Okay, do not enter randomly anywhere. Okay, this is regarding Bitcoin. And to be very honest, what is this? Can you read this? BTC perpetual future contract. We are not doing spot trading. We are doing future trading. Okay, understand this point that we are doing right now is a future trade. No spot trade, only and only future trade. Understand this thing. Let's watch the market. It will go down, and it may take time. Okay, it may take time a little to fall down to have this kind of movement. Like what is it? Almost 1.64, 1.62. Consider 1.60. 1.6% of fall we are capturing in the market at right now point. It will be slow growth. In between you may also observe such kind of candles which may make you think that right now an uptrend will happen, or the trend is changing, or something. Some kind of this candle will create a confusion in the market. Don't get confused. We already have put our SL. We won't be having, see, our risk reward ratio is 2.7. It's very good. We are like risking just 1% and we are gaining 2% profit on it. Double, more than double actually. 2.7 it is. Okay. I'll log in into my account. No sign up. Log in. Mm, done with login. Why? Where is my trade? I entered at a trade point, right? Where is my trade? Why my trade closed automatically without even telling me that it is getting closed? No, this is not that close. This is that only, right? Yeah. Where is my trade? God. Hmm. It's not. But I had an entry over here. Where did my entry go? Capture the whole momentum till here, okay? From here to here, this is the big momentum which we have to capture. I will re-enter in the market if it gives me opportunity to re-enter. This is BTC, okay? BTC short sell future. One second. Welcome user 139798. Welcome to the live stream of Zbit. I've given you a BTC trade, which is for the sell side, and your take profit is 109720.5. That is your take profit. Okay. I change my take profit. Change it to 109696.6. Okay. That's the new take profit. Okay. Enter. Click on the take a trade and take a trade on the BTC for sell side. Take profit 109696.6. Easy, simple take profit. Welcome user 631246. I've given you a BTC trade, sell trade in the future, short sell future trade. You can enter. If you want to enter right now position, you can enter, and your take profit will be 109696.5. I need money, please. Brother, I cannot provide you money, but I can tell you this one thing. If you are a new user, then you have 10 USDT bonus already, okay, with which you can take a first free trade in the future. And any profit you earn from that thing, it's your money. So it's basically we are giving you money, but not directly into your wallet. You have to work a little for it. The first, if you are a new user, then the first trade will be 10 USDT and it will be completely free of cost. If you face any loss in that, company will handle it. Company will bear the loss. You don't have to pay. But if you gain any profit from it, $5, $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, any profit you get, that is your profit. That will be coming into your wallet, which you can further use for taking trade, for doing whatever thing you want to do. Got it? Please help me. Please tell me your like need. What do you need a help of? Money, I told you already. Money we cannot provide you directly. Chat me on WhatsApp. Hmm. Welcome user 501029. What kind of help do you need? Make me understand. Chat on WhatsApp is not possible. Okay, so if you have any problem, tell me in the comment section only. If you have any problem with the ZBIT, withdrawal, deposit, knowing and you are not understanding how to take a trade and blah blah, I can help you with that, but not like chat on WhatsApp is not possible. Sorry. Why you need this much privacy? Welcome user 501029. Welcome on the live stream of the Zibit platform. Thank you so much for entering. I have given you a short sell future trade for Bitcoin. So go for the sell side. Your take profit is 109696.6. That is your take profit. Okay. From that point, you will complete your trade and take profit and go home. Okay. So in the live stream, you can see two options: take a trade and deposit. If you have sufficient deposit to take a trade, then click on the take a trade option. If you don't have sufficient deposit, then click on basically this deposit and deposit an amount and every other things. How do I trade? I am giving you the simple trade over here. Just copy my trade and put it over here. And if you want to know why I went for sell side, you can resume the video a little, and I have shown you why I went for sell side. I have explained you the structure of the market a little bit. Okay. Go for sell side, brothers. Sell side. Go for sell side. Welcome, Hitesh, on the live stream of Zivit.com. My name is Yash, and I'm a live stream host over here. I've given you short sell future trade for BTC, Bitcoin. Enter at whatever place you want to enter, and your take profit TP, keep it as 109696.6. Okay, go for short sell. Sell trade, guys. Sell trade. Go for sell. Sell trade. You have to do. Short sell future trade. Enter for sell side in the BTC. Finally. It's a big thing to capture from the same obvious I do the same thing. But you can clearly see why I don't prefer 5 minute platforms. Like this is low, high, and the other thing becomes lower, low, lower, high. And you can see in between there are so many noises. In 1 hour, it becomes so simple. It's just one move in 1 hour, we can make it completely simple to find a trade for us. I hope everybody understands. I have to put say like entry and blah blah. $380 billion crypto crash clear the deck for the next major rally. ठीक है, next major rally. we can get a buy situation again. Okay, if the people who have not entered in the market see another like little very minor pullback we have got from the market. So if you haven't entered till now point, wait for this candle to make a high. See, as you can see in the market right now, this is just a body right now, it is trying to make a high. Okay, so after this point, if uh, at whatever satisfactory level, enter in the market, like maybe here, maybe here, because you never know like till what buy movement can come in the market. Okay, very less people on the live stream. Why? What happened? Sunday, enjoying on Sunday. Welcome user 128052. I have given you a short sell entry at the Bitcoin. Take profit is 109696.6. See, right now market is having a little push up. Can you see this? One second. This candle is little going for buy side. So if it enter, it come back to this point, which is our entry. I was thinking that this can be our entry point. So if the market come back to that point, that's from where I have entered already. Then you can enter at that point. But if it starts to have a minor rejection down, enter at the market. This candle. Right now the buying is happening. Let the buy happen. Wherever the buying stops and starts to fall down, that's the point you re-enter in the market. Okay, and I have told you already, there might be a chance of such kind of candle, but these are just noises in between. It doesn't represent that the buying has started to happen. You can clearly see it will travel to down only, even if there is between there are 2 to 3 buying candles. Okay, Slowly, steady, you will achieve your target. Okay, don't have to worry regarding that. Buying has not yet finished. Maybe we'll get a very good entry to good re-entry in the market. Okay. There is a small rally gap at that moment. But no worries. Ethereum 1 minute. In Zbit, the lower low is something different. Why? Is it the price difference what we are having? That's fine. Mhm. Again, the buying has started a little. So people who have not entered till right now point in the market, they may can get again another buy scenario. See, all the time if in one candle there will be a constant fight between going up, coming down, going up, coming down. This is basically going up happens when there is buy orders are getting placed. Going down happen when the sell order is getting placed. If you want to enter for the sell side, always wait for this moment for that one candle to have some buying. Now this is that moment where the buying is happening. Some amount of buying is happening at that point. That's what we will focus on. Do not forget to re-enter in the market, okay? And also never get afraid of such kind of candles. They're just noises in between. 25 minutes left. In this 25-minute, even if it doesn't close as a red candle, that is totally fine. It won't give any of those like it can have a rejection or something like that. No need to worry. Market has came back to its original place where it started falling and where we entered. Okay. And from there it's trying to go more above as well. But do not afraid, our SL is safe over here. Okay. Wow. Wait a second, people. Welcome user 392812 and 40073732. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. I took a short sell trade, but a sudden, very huge buying has started to happen. Still haven't crossed the lower high, but let's see. If the lower high crosses, then maybe change of character is possible over here as the market started from the demand zone. The character can be changed from higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let's see. In 43 seconds, this candle will be closing and we will be starting with a new candle. We have to focus and make sure that this candle doesn't cross that. If it crosses this, the change of character might be happening, or it just that liquidity trap maybe to eat a lot of people's purpose. The next candle has started to form. A very sudden buying has deleted our entry point, or maybe just a chance to enter in the higher level. Welcome user 244429 on the live stream of the zb.com. I am trying to give you a trade. My first trade, I thought about going for short sell because of the market structure, but sudden buying spur has came over here. A very sudden buying spur. Same like this. Even this candle, if you can see, the highest point the market has reached was this, very close to our the previous all-time previous lower high. Even right now, market is trying to cross this level. We have to make sure if it crosses this level, then we can go for a buy. But if it doesn't crosses, then we should not go for anything. Sell we can observe. See, now the rejection from the peak has started to happen. This is just one candle which actually is trying to give us a better entry. But this was not, this is like in 3 hour candle, if you observe that yes, there was a fair value gap over here. Okay, in 3 hour, in 3 hour chart frame, if we look, there was one fair value gap over here, which can explain a sudden buy movement over here. Also, it tapping from the but let's see. We should not. If this goes down again, then that's a good thing. But in here, 2 time market already did it. 2 time. Breakout structure closed on here, made a lower low. Right now is above. It should close down somewhere over here, lower than the previous one. We'll try to enter from the highest point of this candle. There is very less traffic on Sunday today for audience. Any major means how they try to find hidden gem in the crypto market. 380 billion crypto crash clear the deck for an major. It is major. Such kind of news makes people go for buy situation or not, and then they get more liquidity trap. See, the buying spur which was about of this candle has stopped over here, but still 50 minutes are left of this candle. Downfall, but we won't enter right now. We saw just one little spur of a sell side. Until downfall in the market. This is why there is a quote that nothing is predictable in the market. You cannot predict market 100%. This is why. You never know when the sudden buying moment will come. You never know when sudden buying, like for what reason you don't know. For who did it you don't know. Why there is in a downtrend situation there is a sudden buying you don't know. You will not know this. Other coins. Ethereum, I won't trade in Ethereum. Don't trade on Ethereum because Ethereum is on the demand zone. When the market is making sideways market in the demand zone, there is no point of trading it because it will be very hard to judge if whether to go for buy, whether to go for sell or anything. So whenever the market is inside the demand zone, I checked it out already. Ethereum, Solana, even XRP is very close to the demand zone. They are not showing that very big momentum from there. It's no point of entry. Only Bitcoin is the one who is not that close of the demand zone. It's far. SL Pro. Let's see. What happens now? $73. Welcome user 1541616. Welcome on the live stream on Zbit. Sell trade on the BTC future trade. Enter. Take profit is at 109702. That's your profit at that point. Okay. Enter for the sell side. This is the sell side you have to enter. 88.80 profit. A good amount of profit. $126.20. One candle, but it's actually good that this candle gave us a very good entry. We entered at somewhere over here. It gave us a good entry above. That's actually good. Welcome user 269456. Welcome to the live stream of Zibit. My name is Yash, and this is the trade which I have given to all of the people. We are doing a live trading, and this is the trade for BTC future trade. Go for a short sell, put your take profit at 109702.7. That's your take profit. A good selling will come over here. We are doing a market structure trading over here, making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay. Go for sell side in BTC. And if you have anything, any need or anything, just please reach out to this live stream, comment on the comment section if you're facing any problem. Okay. And also, if you haven't done your deposit till now, please make sure that you're doing your deposit and then taking a trade. In the live stream, you can see two options over here. One is deposit, one is take a trade. If you have a sufficient balance, then take a trade. If you don't have, deposit and then take a trade. If you have anything, any doubt, anything, please do make sure that you are asking me on this live stream. Any doubt you have regarding anything, you are facing any problem or anything. One 38.70. Looking good, but slow. Welcome user 584988, user 392892. Welcome on the live stream on Zbit. I've given you a sell trade for the BTC future trade. Go for the short sell. Take profit can be 109702.7. That can be your. So just click on the take a trade and take a trade. And if you are facing any doubts, anything, any problems in Zbit, make sure that you are telling. 220. We'll see more. This is a very good market capture. Will almost capture 1% fall of a market. More than one actually, 1.6 something. In half an hour, seller should close this candle over here. All these red candles, entry should be gone. SL is also there. You don't have to worry regarding that. If you face a loss, you face a small loss, but if you gain, we gain big gain. $158 still falling down. 171. This continuous fall down gives us more confidence that sellers are there in the market. $189, $191. This is a small thing. We'll capture more bigger one. सर किसमें ट्रेड लूँ? 50 USD है मेरे पास. ट्रेड इन बीटीसी का फ्यूचर ट्रेड जो है अभी उसमें मैंने शॉर्ट सेल के लिए किया है, तो एंटर शॉर्ट सेल के लिए करो और टेक प्रॉफिट जो है या अपना जो टीपी जिसे बोलते हैं उसको 109,702.7 पे लगा दो, अच्छा प्रॉफिट निकलेगा. यूजर 128052, 50 USDT है, अच्छा खासा मस्त. 10 लेवरेज लेके अगर लगा दोगे तो अच्छी प्रॉफिट बन जाएगा. 10 लेवरेज 10x का लेवरेज लेके 109,702.7 तक उस पर टेक प्रॉफिट पे लगा देना और एंट्री ले लो. ठीक है, एंट्री अगर अभी नहीं लेनी है तो थोड़ा सा अगर हल्का सा ये वाली कैंडल थोड़ा अगर हल्की ऊपर आके पुश बैक लेती है तब भी एंट्री लिया तो भी चलेगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि हल्का सा पुश बैक तो सारे कैंडल लेते ही है. बीटीसी का ये फ्यूचर का ट्रेड है, शॉर्ट सेल के लिए नीचे डाउन ट्रेंड, नीचे नीचे यहाँ से सेल करना है, ये यहाँ पे जाके रुकेगा ये 109,702 पॉइंट समथिंग. प्लीज व्हाट विल आई डू? विड्रॉ व्हाट? एक सेकेंड यूजर 269456 प्लीज व्हाट आई do to withdraw immediately after I finish my trading, because sometime after I finish my trading it will not agree for me to transfer it to the spot for withdrawal. This is a major problem. Basically it says insufficient balance while I have enough money in the same future amount. Insufficient balance because see, मैं समझाता हूँ. Sometime like the quantity we pick, for example let's say I picked order by size. Okay, I go for like I want to market order, I want to enter for, let's say I want to have a quantity of 0.5. Okay, can you see over here how much money is it required for that? 2787.5. If I place an order, what is going to say is insufficient balance. So try to see is this quantity, the quantity you are picking, like whatever quantity you are trying to pick in the order place, decrease it according to your available balance. Okay, if you put 0.01, see, it will show the cost, how much cost you need is just 5.57. If I put for short, that will happen because my available balance is what, 7.7. एंड बीटीसी में कम से कम 145 यूएसडी होना चाहिए, नहीं जरूरी नहीं है. कैन यू सी दिस? साइज पे डिपेंड करता है. गो फॉर लेस साइज. किसने बोला मतलब एकदम कि एक ही यूएसडी खरीदना है या फिर 0.5 खरीदना? गो फॉर लेस साइज. कॉस्ट इज व्हाट, 5.5 यूएसडी. हु इज सेइंग दैट 145 लगता है करके? इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर क्वांटिटी. यूजर 128052, इट्स नॉट लाइक यू एक्चुअली मतलब 145 ही लगेगा तब जाके ट्रेड लगेगा, नहीं, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. इसका कॉस्ट कितना है 0.001 का 5.5. लग रही है ट्रेड, मेरे पास उतना अवेलेबल बैलेंस है और आपके पास कितना है 50 है, तो इसको साफ करके देखते हैं. ठीक, 0.007 39 यूएसडी का ट्रेड लग सकता है. यहाँ पे आपके पास 50 यूएसडी, आप आराम से 39 यूएसडी का ये ले सकते हो ट्रेड इजीली. एंड यूजर 269456 जिसका प्रॉब्लम था कि मैं इमीडिएट विड्रॉल नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, ये इनसफिशिएंट बैलेंस बता रहा है ट्रेड लेने के लिए. ये यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी कम करो. जो क्वांटिटी पुट करते हो ना, यहाँ पे कॉस्ट चेक करो उसका. ये अगर कॉस्ट तुम्हारे अवेलेबल बैलेंस में यहाँ पे है तो ट्रेड लगेगा. अगर उससे ज्यादा है, जैसे अभी 39 लग रहा है 0.007, अगर मैं 20 के लेवरेज पे लेता हूँ फिर भी मेरे को 39 यूएसडी लग रहा है. मैं प्लेस करने जा रहा हूँ, ये मेरे को क्या बोलेगा, इनसफिशिएंट बैलेंस. अगर मैं यही कम कर दूं, एक कर दूं, अभी मेरा कॉस्ट कितना लग रहा है 5.5 या 5 या ऐसा. सर शॉर्ट ट्रेड कहाँ से, लॉन्ग वो सब कहाँ है क्या? सर शॉर्ट ट्रेड कहाँ से, लॉन्ग वो सब कहाँ है? थोड़ा अच्छे से समझाओ ना मेरे को, मैं समझा नहीं. शॉर्ट ट्रेड कहाँ से, लॉन्ग वो सब का है. शॉर्ट ट्रेड कहाँ से लॉन्ग मतलब शॉर्ट ट्रेड कहाँ से लॉन्ग कैसे हो जाएगी? शॉर्ट ट्रेड तो शॉर्ट ही रहेगी ना, शॉर्ट ट्रेड लॉन्ग कैसे हो जाएगी? थोड़ा अच्छे से समझाओ तो प्लीज. एंड हाँ, यूजर 128052, you are saying that you cannot do 145. You can actually do it. See, it depends on the quantity. If you have 50 USDT, right? If you just go and do 0.007, your cost is what, 44.45. Easily, if you have available balance over here 50 USDT, you can take an order of 38 or 39 or 40. Okay, it's not like the minimum is 145. There is no such things. Okay. सर लॉन्ग ट्रेड एंड शॉर्ट ट्रेड वो तो खाली पे लिखा होगा, वो मुझे नहीं. लॉन्ग ट्रेड और शॉर्ट ट्रेड तो कहीं पे लिखा होगा. ये है ना, ओपन लॉन्ग मतलब होता है कि लॉन्ग ट्रेड ओपन करना है, मतलब लॉन्ग ट्रेड लेनी है, बाय के लिए जाएगा. ओपन शॉर्ट, ये जो देख रहे हैं ये ओपन शॉर्ट, ये दो जो ऑप्शन है ग्रीन और रेड, यही तो है फ्यूचर ट्रेड के लिए. ओपन लॉन्ग, ओपन शॉर्ट, ये दिख रहा है ये दो ऑप्शन. इधर एक लिखा है ओपन लॉन्ग, इधर लिखा है ओपन शॉर्ट. ओपन शॉर्ट का मतलब होता है कि अभी मैं सेल में एंट्री लेना चाहता हूं. ओपन लॉन्ग का मतलब होता है कि अभी मैं बाय में एंट्री लेना चाहता हूं. और इसी को अगर क्लोज करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल पहले सिनेरियो देखते हैं अपन कि मैंने ओपन लॉन्ग किया, मतलब मैंने क्या किया, मैंने बाय की एंट्री ली, तो यहाँ पे आके मैं इसको क्लोज लॉन्ग कर दूंगा, मेरी बाय की एंट्री क्लोज हो जाएगी। ऐसे ही अगर मैं शॉर्ट करता हूँ, ओपन शॉर्ट बोले तो मैं शॉर्ट में एंट्री लेता हूँ, मैं सेल के लिए एंट्री ले रहा हूँ। यहाँ से मतलब जहां भी पॉइंट होगा जहां से मैं कर रहा हूँ उस पॉइंट से मेरा सेल की एंट्री चालू हो जाएगी। और इसी को क्लोज करना है तो यहाँ पे क्लोज शॉर्ट मतलब मेरी सेल की एंट्री क्लोज कर दो, सिंपल। एंड देयर इज नो सच लिमिट एज 145 और समथिंग इन BTC। ये यही तो लिखा है, ये यहाँ पे, ये मतलब कहाँ पे लिखा है, कैसे नहीं दिख रहा है, मतलब यही तो है, ये तो मतलब एकदम आग के सामने है। ये फ्यूचर में हम फ्यूचर ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, तुम बाय कर रहे हो क्या? देखो ये ट्रेड में यहाँ पे स्पॉट है, एक होता है स्पॉट, स्पॉट में हम एंट्री नहीं ले रहे हैं, ठीक है। ये स्पॉट में बाय एंड सेल है, यहाँ पे बस हम स्पॉट एंट्री नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम कर रहे हैं फ्यूचर ट्रेड। तो ये ट्रेड के ऑप्शन में जाके यहाँ पे फ्यूचर का ट्रेड डालो, ठीक है, फिर वहां जाके ये ओपन लॉन्ग ओपन शॉर्ट दिख जाएगा। मैंने यहाँ पे क्लियरली, अच्छा अभी लिखा नहीं है, पहले लिखा था फ्यूचर। ये मेरा चार्ट दो, क्या देख रहा हूँ मैं? फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देख रहा हूँ, फ्यूचर स्पॉट का नहीं देख रहा हूँ मैं फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देख रहा हूँ। सी, at that time I have 12 USDT, I tried to transfer 6 USDT to spot, okay. In other to withdraw 6 USDT, but it said insufficient balance, so what may be the problem? Hmm. USDT, I tried transfer 6 USDT, in other to withdraw, okay, but it said insufficient balance. ये जो 12 यूएसडीटी है उसमें से जो 10 यूएसडीटी है वो बोनस है क्या? जो हम नए साहब सारे नए यूजर को एक बोनस मिलता है, बोनस यूएसडीटी 10 यूएसडीटी बोनस मिलता है, ये वो है क्या? ये 12 का 12 आपका खुद का डिपॉजिट है? जो आपने बोला कि आई हैव 12 यूएसडीटी, ये आपका खुद का डिपॉजिट है या उसमें से जो 10 है 10 यूएसडीटी, वो जैसे हम सारे नए यूजर को 10 यूएसडीटी बोनस के तरीके देते हैं कि पहले ट्रेड फ्री लेने के लिए, ये वो है क्या कि ये पूरा का पूरा 12 आपका ही डिपॉजिट है? आप जब ये क्रिप्टो का विड्रॉल कर रहे हो यहाँ से, ठीक है, इसमें आपने करेंसी सेट किया, इथेरियम जो भी एक आपको ब्लॉकचेन सिस्टम यूज करना है ट्रांजैक्शन के लिए, आपने वो सेट किया। उसके बाद आपने अपना एड्रेस डाला, एड्रेस के बाद में विड्रॉल अमाउंट के ऊपर में साइन होगा ऐसा कुछ कि, एक सेकंड, ऐसा लेस देन इक्वल टू 3 4 या ऐसा कुछ लिखा होगा, वो कितना दिख रहा है उस पे? जब विड्रॉल करते हैं बिना इनपुट मतलब उस पे प्राइस बिना डाले ही आपको ना ऐसा कुछ ग्रेटर देन या लेस देन और एक नंबर दिख रहा होगा, 3 या फिर 4 दिख रहा होगा या फिर 5 दिख रहा होगा या कुछ एक नंबर दिख रहा होगा, इक्वल टू ऐसा कुछ तो होगा। वो नंबर कितना है एक बार वो भी देख लो कि विड्रॉल के टाइम पे ना, एक मैं मेरे पास एक फोटो है, मैं फोटो दिखाता हूँ, चेंज हो गया होगा, एक सेकंड। ये देखो जब अपन विड्रॉल करते हैं ना, तो ये यहाँ पे एक ऐसा एक साइन आता है, ये देख रहे हो, ये ग्रेटर लेस देन 3, ये ऐसा साइन में आपके यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है बताओ ना मेरे को, मतलब क्या नंबर है? जब भी विड्रॉल अमाउंट करते हैं तो एक ये लिमिट होती है, ये इतना लिमिट है। अगर ये वहां पे ये 3 नहीं है, यहाँ पे वो शायद तक 10 12 या कुछ और होगा, तो आप उससे नीचे का नंबर नहीं कर सकते। मतलब यहाँ पे कितना, लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन, इक्वल टू 3 है। मतलब एक तो आप 3 निकाल सकते हो या फिर 3 के ऊपर। ठीक है, अभी विड्रॉल के ऑप्शन में यहाँ पे जैसा मेरी मैं स्क्रीन पे दिखा रहा हूँ, ये ऑप्शन में ये ऐसे इसमें आपके विड्रॉल में कितनी लिख के आ रहा है, एक बार वो चेक कर लो वहां पे कि लिख के कितना आ रहा है। ऐसा सब इसमें ना नहीं, सब इसमें डिफरेंट होता है कि एक होता है, ये है यूएसडीटी के लिए, ठीक है। ये मैं देख रहा हूँ यूएसडीटी के लिए, ये दिख रहा है यहाँ पे यूएसडीटी लिखा हुआ है। और सेम अगर मैं दूसरा दिखाने जाऊँ तो ये होता है, ये टीआरएक्स के लिए है। अगर मैं टीआरएक्स विड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ यहाँ से टीआरएक्स, तो उसके लिए ये विड्रॉ अलग है। देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे लेस देन इक्वल टू 8.55 लिखा हुआ है। मतलब एक तो मैं 8 निकाल सकता हूँ या 8 के ऊपर, 9 10 11 12 ऊपर, 7 6 नहीं निकाल सकता हूँ। तो एक बार आप ये चेक कर लो कि आप विड्रॉ क्या कर रहे हो। ये आप टीआरएक्स कर रहे हो, ये टीआरएक्स होता है, या फिर आप यूएसडीटी विड्रॉ कर रहे हो, ये यूएसडीटी होता है। इसमें जो ये ऑप्शन दिख रहा है ना आपको, ये यूएसडीटी, बीटीसी, इथेरियम, सोलाना, टीआरएक्स, इन सब का विड्रॉल का जो लिमिट है वो अलग अलग है। तो एक बार आप विड्रॉल लिमिट चेक करो। ये विड्रॉल लिमिट कहाँ से चेक करती है? ये विड्रॉल अमाउंट जहां पे दिखेगा, एक सेकंड अच्छे से दिखाता हूँ। ये विड्रॉल अमाउंट दिखेगा ना, वहां पे ये साइन है ऐसा, देखो ये 3 4 ऐसा कुछ लिखा होगा। ये 3 लिखा है टीआरएक्स पे, 8 लिखा हुआ है। जैसे टीआरएक्स पे 8, ये टीआरएक्स पे 8 लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे। तो ये विड्रॉल अमाउंट है। वहां पे एक बार चेक करो कि मिनिमम कितना निकाल सकते हो। मेरे को लग रहा है आप जो निकाल रहे हो, मतलब विड्रॉ कर रहे हो, वो शायद तक आपने करेंसी कुछ और सेट किया है, यूएसडीटी नहीं किया शायद तक। यूएसडीटी क्योंकि लेस देन मतलब 3 तो निकाल ही सकते हो। उसमें से एक यूएसडीटी आपका ट्रांजैक्शन फीस लग जाती है, जो कंपनी मतलब जो ऐप लेती है, और बाकी के जो $1 काट के जो बाकी पैसा है वो आपको मिल जाता है। तो एक बार ये चेक करो प्लीज। If you are not understanding what I'm saying is that please check your currency, which currency you have selected for withdrawal. Either it is USDT, BTC, Ethereum, Solana, or TRX. Because every currency has a different limit for withdrawal. USDT is 3. When you will see, like when this option will open, I don't have address, so I am not pasting my address, otherwise it will show over here. And limit less than equal to something number. USDT will be less than equal to 3. TRX is less than equal to 8.55. That is the minimum you can withdraw. Maybe when you are putting the $6 as a withdrawal, in that whatever currency, 6 is not applicable. Minimum must be something 8 or 9. So one time check this one thing, that which currency you are trying to withdraw. Can you tell me which currency you are trying to withdraw? Are you trying to withdraw USDT, BTC, Ethereum, Solana, or TRX? Which currency you are trying to withdraw? Tell me that first. Please help by speaking English. Okay, I'll speak in English, no issues. I understand very well. Which language I understand very well. Okay, no issues. I ask again what I will do to the money I have in future or spot whenever I want to stop trading, and for my money not to reduce anymore, so that it will remain in the amount I want to stop trading. and for my money not to reduce anymore, so it will remain the same amount until. If you want to stop trading, then you can just simply close trade over here, right? Just close your trade over here if you want to stop trading. This is the close trade option. Can you see here? Close trade, close the trade. Your money will remain the same. I want to stop trading. Stop trading can be happening from over here. And for my money not to reduce anymore, it's like if you don't take a trade, your money won't get reduced. If you don't use your available balance, it will stay the same. Nobody's eating your available balance. Maybe you are not understanding this thing. Like whenever you take a trade, there are some platform fees, transaction fees, which is applicable. So whenever you close your trade, some amount might be deducted. That reduces your capital account. That is that there is a platform fee, XYZ platform fee and XYZ transaction fees. There is some amount which we take whenever you take put a trade. There is a platform fee. Whenever you close a trade, there is a platform fee. Whenever you do a withdrawal, there is a platform fee which you have to pay. Maybe that is what you are feeling, that it is getting reduced. Okay, so do that. And for that explanation in English that you needed, that you are unable to withdraw $6, it shows insufficient balance. Please go and check the limit of the withdrawal amount which you are picking. Basically over here, see, I will show you again. Trade, go on the spot, and from the spot click on that withdrawal. From that withdrawal, click, see, first tell me which currency you are trying to withdraw. Are you trying to withdraw USDT or Tron? Every currency has a different limit for the withdrawals. For example, if I do on Ethereum, if you put your address at the time of amount withdrawal, there will be something sign like this. If you don't put any this thing, any amount, there will be some sign of 3, or maybe sign like 4, or maybe sign like 5. This means minimum. If it is showing 3, that means minimum you can withdraw is 3. You cannot withdraw 2, 1. You cannot. Either is 3 or greater than 3, like 4, 5, 6. Either it's 4, that means 4, or 5, 6, 7, 8. Either it's 5, then 5, or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, like that. And in the Tron, if you're trying to like withdraw in the Tron, then Tron is 8.55 the last time I checked. Okay, so if you are trying to withdraw 6, it will not be possible. Okay, try to first tell me if you are picking, selecting the right currency. If you are picking USDT, BTC, every of those things, you are picking the right currency from here. See that first. The currency which is available is USDT, then USDT is the one you will withdraw. If you don't have, let's say you don't have Tron and you are trying to withdraw Tron, it will obviously show insufficient balance. Okay, try to see which currency you have in your wallet. As per whatever requirement you said, can you respond faster? Like I'm asking you several questions. Can you respond? I think I'm speaking of very nice English which you can understand. I'm asking you several questions. Can you be a little responsive? Like, do a response of what I'm asking. Can you give me questions like or anything? Yes, no, hi, bye, whatever, so that I can get like what I'm trying to say is you are getting that point. User 269456. Can you be a responsive? and you want to stop trading and you don't want your money to reduce, then just don't take trade. It's fine. Your money will stay safe. Until unless you don't put a trade, your money is not going to go anywhere. So please be a little responsive of what I'm asking, because I'm trying to solve your query only. User 2694, I can see that you are on the live stream since half an hour. I'm asking you some questions. Can you respond to that? Can you give me response to that question? If not, then I will stop this conversation over here, because you are not responsive. Then how I can? Whatever answer I wanted to give, I gave already. Okay. If you are satisfied and you are not responsive, then I'll stop this over here until your further test. Okay. Welcome user 370784 and user 9499785. Welcome to the live stream of Zibit.com. We are going for the sell on the BTC future trade. It will happen slowly. It will happen. It will take its time. It will take its own time. And in that meanwhile time, we will see a very good downfall up to this level, which is 109702.7. Okay. If you have any doubt, anything, feel free to comment on the comment section, but be responsive. Okay. 82. Welcome user 713348 on the live stream of Civit.com. Go for sell side in the BTC future trade and take a trade over here. The take profit is 109,702.7. Go for short sell BTC. That's the trade I've given to all of the people. Welcome user 269456 on the Zbit live stream. My name is Yash. I'm a live stream host over here. Please make sure that you are entering for the sell side at the BTC future trade. Okay. And we haven't deposited till now. So please click on the deposit option and deposit. If you have sufficient balance, then go for the take a trade and take a trade. If you have balance, then you don't need it. Please, I don't know where to see the close all the market as you said. User 269456. What trading are you doing? Are you doing spot or are you doing future? Are you doing a spot trading or are you doing a future trading? Tell me first. Hmm. User 269456. What kind of trading are you doing? Are you doing a spot trading or are you doing a future trading? Which trading you are doing? Which is basically this. Are you doing futures or are you doing spot? Which one is it? Out of this two, I am doing future trading. Good. In the future trading, you come over here. Now, second question. What trade is open? Did you did open long or did you did open short? Which trade is open? Tell me that. Second question is, I'll repeat myself. Second question I'm asking you, did you open long or did you open short? That's the second question. Which trade is still going on? Is your long trade going on or your short trade is going on? Long. You did open long, then Can you see this option over here? Can you see this close? This is the close option. Click on this close option and go on here and see close long. Then click on this option. Okay. This is the open. Open means when you open a trade, when you take a trade. I took a buy trade or I took a sell trade. Okay. Now, when you want to close it, first check which one did you open. Did you open long or did you open short? Come to the next platform, come to the next button, which is a close. Click on that close, and then whichever you opened, like you said, you opened long, right? Then come to the next point like this, click on this, and you see close long. Then your long trade will be closed. Simple. Welcome user Tani Moon and user 223791. I've given you BTC trade short. Just go on this platform and do is open short. Okay, and whatever quantity available balance you have, do at that. Your take profit is 109702.7. Take profit, you put it over. Can you see TP? This is your TP. Click on this TP. Trigger price will be this 109, like I said to you, this 109702. This will be your trigger. SL, what is SL? SL is this, like maximum I can go for this minus. Okay, SL is at 112154. User 269456, your problem solved, didn't solve, what is going on? Again you are became unresponsive. Please give response. Again, it is going in a minus, but it's fine. It won't hit our SL. Okay, don't worry about that. Our SL won't get hit. It's just a better option for the people who are not entering the market right now. You can enter at the higher level of price. Okay. Minus 22. Again, we came in profit. Click on the deposit option if you haven't deposited till now. And if you have deposit already, then click on that take a trade option. Simple. Again, I ask, is there any special time I will do trading or withdrawal in a day, or can I do any of this at my conveniencing time? See, there is no such special time for trading because we never know, like, by this time we can have a good buying or good selling. We have to be active at the market. We should be, rather than being active on the market, we can just plot such kind of stuff like the supply zones and the demand zones, and we can put alert on that, that whenever market tries to come to this kind of supply or demand zone, we know this one thing, that from here a good buying will come, from supply zone a good selling will come. Okay, there is not a particular timing like I will tell you come by 4 to 5 there will be good momentum in the market. There is nothing like that. Okay, because crypto market is a global market, it's not one specific time zone, it's a global market. USA people, UK people, they may be trading on their own time, some other time, some other time. It's a 24/7. In that 24/7 market, I cannot pick one time for all of you and say that this is the time where there will be the most momentum in the market. There is no such thing. Okay. In crypto market, there is no such things like convincing time or like. And same for withdrawal. If you do it in a day, you do it in the night. We have 24/7 customer service. So it will not matter. Like if you do in the night, then it will take time for you to withdraw and every of those things. We have customer service which is 24/7 available for all of the people. Okay. So if you do it night, day, afternoon, evening, doesn't matter. There is always one person there to take care of your order, either it is for withdrawal or either it is for deposit. Okay, so there is no such specific timing and not a specific day as well. From Monday to Sunday 24/7 we are available for all of you people to help you with maybe withdrawal, deposit, any issue you face, your account get freeze or blah blah blah. There are so many things. Every time there will be one person available for you to take care of your issue. Okay, so there is no such time for withdrawal as well, and there is no such time for trading as well, because anything can happen at any point. I cannot tell you like when the big player will come, and if he would have told me that this thing, that big player will come at this moment time, I would have been very rich, I feel, and I wouldn't have done it. I don't know. Nobody can tell you like this is the perfect time for the market to enter. By this to this time there will be a huge momentum in the market or something. No, it's a crypto market, the most unpredictable market we are dealing with. The best deal, like I said to you, just plot your supply demand zones, fair value gaps, and keep a track if your market is nearby those zones so that you can enter for the either for buy or either for the sell. Okay. Welcome user 40. Welcome user 552175 and Rizwan. Welcome on the live stream. I've given you the sell trade. Go for sell on the BTC future trade. Take profit is 109702.7. That's your take profit. Okay. Go for sell trade. And if you have any doubt, anything regarding Zbit, please make sure that you are commenting on the comment section. I will do my best to solve your queries. 122 profit till now. Hello, Rizwan. Hello. Welcome on the live stream. Go for BTC sell trade open in the future. Here, go for open short and enter it. Make your TP as 109702.7 and your SL as 112154.8. It's it's almost like 1:3 risk reward ratio you are getting over here. Right, this is coupon, right? Yes, insert this. You get almost 1.4 risk reward ratio. You might lose 1%, but you are gaining 4% from that market. Okay. Okay. One 77, 199. Let's go. 20. The momentum has stopped a little, but we don't have to worry. Market will make another lower low. Okay. Every other coin is also facing the same scenario. Nothing else. So maybe BTC right now. A very good strength is not able to capture of the sense rate. Very small, slow strength. We need a big, huge strength on the sell side to have a very quick movement forward. Again, it went to the minus 197. We put it to minus 1.2. Our SL is not yet hit, okay? Not yet hit. SL is not yet hit. Two for 260. Okay. Till now, SL has not hit. If SL is still active, we are still active. Okay. If SL gets hits, then we are closed. If SL is not hit till now, then we are active, bro. We'll stay active until the SL gets hit. Because I have a huge chance. Because what we have to lose, just very small. What we have to gain, a very big moment. A little small risk is okay for gaining such big gain. Loss will be small, gain will be big. See, that's why I said user 69456. You can never know what can happen in the market at what time. In 5 to 10 minutes, I will be leaving this live stream. Okay. In 5 to 10 minutes, I'll be leaving this live stream. It's 2 to 2. Guys. Please understand something properly here. No, I want to trade BTC. I give order and it's given to me. How will I start trading to properly? What is your question? Like, please, I want to understand something properly here. Known, I want to trade on BTC. I give order and it is given to me. I give order and it is given to me. How will I start trading to make profit and loss? Profit and avoid loss. Come to this live stream and take a trades. Whatever trade I give you, take a trade. Out of 10, 1 to 2 may go for loss, but most of the time it will be a profit. Okay, so don't do extra stuff. Do a very minimal thing. Come on this live stream and try to make me understand whatever your query is, like clearly. Please, I want to understand something properly here. Okay, known I want to trade. Known I want to trade means like what? I give order and it is given to me. I give and it is given to me. Hmm. Okay. It's my time to go, people. Thank you so much for all the people joining this live stream. See, if it hits the SL, then it's totally fine. We have a loss today. But if it doesn't hit the SL, keep your trade active because big trade we can achieve. Okay, big trade we can achieve. So thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I will see you guys again tomorrow, same timing 12 to 4. Without any doubt, I will see you tomorrow. We'll try to, either if you face a loss, I will make sure that I will recover your losses. And if you don't face a loss, then you can congratulate me tomorrow. That a very big, massive movement we can capture over here. Almost 1.6% of the market we will capture. If it doesn't hit your SL, keep it active. Keep it active. Okay.